Hi, in the following minutes I'm talking about the structure of my code written to control, written in Python at right or JavaScript at left, and it wants to control the movement of elevator in residential buildings. As you see, both codes has same structure in terms of classes and the name of the variables. And at the first four classes, I constructed the physics of the elevator system. For example, in the column, I have different properties of the column, and then I'm creating the elevator list and also the floor list, the call button list. Uh, the main methods that control the movement of the elevator are at the control class of controller. Here, for example, update list. Each time I want to add a stop to the stop list of the elevator, I use this update list. And there are other, the main function here is the request elevator, in which I am finding the best elevator when I receive a call. So it compares the position of the elevators and the state of the elevator with the user position. And let me go back to my logics. So there are three conditions. The ideal case, both are at the same level and have same directions. So the program pick up this elevator. There are other cases which are good cases. Either the elevator is idle, or the elevator and the user has the same direction, and the elevator has not yet arrived to the user position. So if there is a case for the elevator will be added to the good list. All the other cases are the bad cases. So I have two lists, good elevator and bad elevators, empty at the beginning of the loop, and then I start the loop through the elevator list, and the elevator will be added to either to the good, to the bad, and at the end, if I have elevator in the good list, I'll find the one that is closer to the user and has the shortest list. Or if I'll go to the bad list and pick the best one from the bad list. In this case, I'll pick the one that has the shortest list. And then the elevator start moving until there's a stop in the stop list, and when it arrives to the first stop list, this stop list is removed from the list here, and it goes up or down depending on the stop list and the direction of the elevator. And finally, I have the request floor, in which from inside the elevator we receive the requested floor and we update the stop list, and then we call the move function to move the elevator. So the next step, I'm gonna run the first scenario on JavaScript and then the second scenario on the Python. So on JavaScript, here is the result for the first scenario. We will see that the user is at the third floor and want to go to 7. So the first elevator, current position of the elevators is like at 2 and at 6. The first elevator is coming, and it goes to the 7. Let's run the other one, the second scenario at the Python. Here we have the user wants to go from the first to the 6th. So we have elevator at 10 and at 3, both are idle. So the second elevator is coming and pick the person and go up and goes to 6. Later, another user wants to go from 3 to 5. Now we have the first elevator at 10, the other one at 6, both are idle. So again, the second elevator is coming from 6 to 3 and then goes up to 5. And later there's another person who wants to go from 9 to 2. This time the elevator 1 from 10th floor is coming, and arrives and then picks the person up and goes to the 2. Thank you very much for your attention.